Hi, this is a quick tour of Group Compare. Group Compare is a function which allows you to actually see what changes have happened to a user in terms of their group membership over a period of time. And this could be from when the user was actually first created until present time. It will actually search the Active Directory and it will actually show you what changes have actually happened to a user's group membership. One of the good features for this is that usually you have a user says, "Oh, my access has changed," or "I can't do this anymore," and this will allow you to see if there's been any membership changes in the actual group memberships, to see if there's a possible reason for that. So, as normal, we start off with the user search, and we're going to search with Casey. And Casey Hannah is the one we're actually going to be looking at. So, if we right-click on there, use with, and go Group Changes, this will take us into the Group Changes screen. And what it'll do now by clicking go, that's actually scanned the directory. Now obviously this is a test environment, so the actual number of groups is quite small, so that's the reason why it was really quick. But we can see from there for the actual group and then the actual time. So this tells you when the user was added, so you get a plus for when the user was added, and a minus when the actual user was taken away. So we can actually see what changes have happened to this user, and as you can see, this is the last change which was done to here. So group 7, if that was actually given access to a file system or something like that, we can see the user got that permission taken away from them at that particular time. Now this feature is actually using metadata to actually find it, and if we go and look at the metadata here, we can see that there's the Casey Hannah user, and we can see that they were actually removed from that group at that time. So you can actually go and look at the metadata and actually extract this information yourself. The good thing about this feature is it will go through and enumerate all the groups and pull out all the changes in a single operation, so you don't need to actually go for each single group and then try and work out which group the user was or wasn't a member of. So you can see it from a single view, what changes have happened to the user. So that's the end of this quick tour of Group Changes.